So this is on top of the tower here, winter tour, and this is if you get up and get some good exercise in the morning, what you're getting rewarded with. This is about a pretty good sunset that you can get, I guess, with the mountains in the background, Swiss Alps, and just getting up there, basically sunrise. So yeah, this is fitness every day, trying to get better, and yeah, so yeah, you just keep doing that and work on yourself, and these are in the nature some nice things that you get to see. Basically, this is the full view. Yeah, so pretty breathtaking, pretty amazing. Running is good, so it's good to be outdoors, and yeah, let's finish the run. Check later. Here it comes again. This is pretty good. So go for it. Yeah, all in. Very good. This is it.